Yes po.
Magandang hapon, gabi sa inyong lahat.
Once again, the one and only megastar, Miss Sharon Cuneta!
Itong aking anak, ang pambansang babe. Si Alden Richards ko, hi baby ko. Sit down.
Upo muna tayo. Sa mga magpo-post pa ng photos and videos nila on their social media accounts, please don't forget to tag it sa Instagram po at I Love Glorieta, hashtag Family of Two, at saka hashtag FOT Mall Show.
Between a mother and her son, yung mother na biyuda nung 5 years old pa lang yung anak niya.
Yes, po.
Tapos sila lang magkasama, biglang lumaki na si little boy.
Yes, po.
So paano na? Kailangan na niya ng buhay na
Yun ang
sarili.
panonood.
Yun lang, oo. It's straightforward. Walang unnecessary complications. Yung love lang between a parent and the child. Yun lang talaga. Na I think, and you know what? We were rated G.
Wow!
By MDRCB. So kasama lahat.
Pwede po talaga.
Pati yung mga sanggol pwede
Yan.
panood nito. Opo.
Pang-pamilya talaga.
Pag
Yes,
lalo
po.
na mga anak, panoorin nyo to para mahalin yung magulang nyo. At ganun din mga magulang, makita nyo kung
This is
paano.
your first time working together. How's it to work with each other?
Perfect.
Wow!
Wala pong ano.
Bihira sila sabihan ni Sharon Cuneta ng ganyan.
Yes, ito po yung set na parang pupunta ka, gigising ka everyday, excited kang pumunta.
Oo.
Tapos parang ayaw mo na-pack up.
Oo. Tapos parang istorbo yung shooting.
Opo eh. Kasi mas marami po kaming banding. But
Tsaka araw-araw
Parang
isip ko,
nag-request mo na.
ano ba yung wala si Albert? Wala siya nitong
films as well.
All the films.
All the films po.
Meron po ng Pilipino.
Meron po, yes po, may 10 pelikula po na nandyan.
10 po.
At ang roster po ngayong taon is hindi basta-basta.
Of course. Siyempre dahil yung set na yun, napaka-special. Kaya we're so honored to be part
Yes.
of this. We were picked to be part of the MMF.
Carefully selected, that's true.
Carefully. At iba-ibang tema siya. So, enjoy nyo po, i-marathon lahat yun.
Marathon.
Oo.
Tama. So yan, A Family of Two po, this coming December 25.
Yes, at may parada po ang MMFF. As usual, Alden and I will be on the float
Yes.
in the parade on, I think, December 16.
December 16 po,
Yes.
maaga.
Yan. At saka, nagpapaalam ako kay Alden kanina kung pwede ko ikwento. Niyakap niya ako bago kami nag-start mag-shoot. Tapos kausap na mami niya. Sabi niya, Mami, tingnan niyo, kasama ko naman si Sharon in my life. And now, I'm so happy that I know you have embraced Alden as part of my family. And I want to thank all of Alden's fans. Tamang ang tingin yung idolo. I just want to tell you that. I love Alden with all of my heart.
Love you, Mama.
And ako at ang Sharonians, we will support all of your projects kahit di ako kasali.
Thank you po.
Once again, gusto namin pong pasalamatan ng lahat ng dumating dito sa aming mall show and to our stars, Asia's multimedia star Alden Richards and the megastar.
Thank you so
Miss
much.
Sharon Cuneta, palakpakan
Thank
po
you,
natin.
Glorieta. Thank you so much. We love you.
Miss Shams, Alden, group picture daw with the